All right, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. Haven't done these in almost like 2 weeks. It feels like I've had a lot going on with school, personal life. Definitely didn't enjoy not being able to do these as consistently, but I'm back. Back and better, back and more, even more focused than I was before. If you like these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have the Discord link in the description. If you want to be able to speak to like-minded people that we're all trying to get better every single day in the markets and in our daily lives. So yeah, please go ahead and check that out. But let's go ahead and get into today. So today, day after the election, we won't talk about that too much. Try to focus on the charts, but going into today, I was very happy to see that we broke to the upside. Partly due to, well, mainly due to election news. We were finally breaking back to the upside to kind of correlate with daily time frame trend, and 4 hour, and then like follow that on the 4 hour time frame trend, and then we were uptrending on the 1 hour. We're trending upwards on the 1 hour very cleanly, very aggressively. So we had time frame correlation. So it was pretty clear to me to look for buys going into today. Um, Wanted to see new highs get created. New highs on like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily time frame. Just needed to see an area where we could get into the market with minimal downside and maximum upside. Even though I'm only just looking to get a 2R. So the way that happened today um, was, so initially I'm looking at 4 hour imbalances that had yet to have been filled. So we have this one, this most immediate one, and then this one right below. But this is first priority because this one is above this one. And if we're gonna see any type of pullback, I need to at least see price pullback here. If it breaks through, then we'll be looking at this one here. So I was looking to see price pullback into here, going into the day, but that was very unlikely to happen. So I went down to the 1 hour time frame and then the 15-minute time frame itself. Well, 1 hour time frame first to identify this low. I wanted to see if it would get taken out possibly on NQ. It did on ES, so that's where the divergence came from on the 1 hour time frame. So we had the low taken out on ES. If anything, I can just show you guys. Let me go to the 1 hour. So we have it right here where the low was taken on ES but not on NQ, so that gives us a bullish divergence. At this point, once it printed, I went down to the 15 and the 5 minute time frames looking for areas and looking for bearish imbalances or bearish fair value gaps that would need to get disrespected for me to be willing to take a long to the upside. That ended up taking place right around 10 a.m. So after the new 4 hour candle open, which is what I like to see. Took the trade. On my funded, I ended up closing right here. But then I am trying to practice, better discipline with my account. So this is a demo account that I'm trading right now that I'm signed into, where this is my 1-to-1. I wanted to hold at least till I get to a 1-to-1, and then move stops to break even. That's what I did, and then price or a little bit above break even to cover commission spreads and fees, and then price is continuing up. I mean, obviously we aren't at full TP yet, but we are somewhat close. Um, so yeah, also practicing on this somewhat simulation like account. Um, just I'm going into it like trying to manage my trades well, uh, and have good discipline, because I'm getting ready to be going into uh, funded trading evaluation with top tier trader by the end of this year. So I just want to start practicing for that. So these are two demo accounts. That's why I'm holding it. I taken the profit. I closed out around $685 this morning on the funded account once price reached here. Took the profit. Wanted to just start the month off right. Start the month off in a good amount of profit, or yeah, with a good win. Maybe it wasn't the best one. I didn't follow my rules. I can't say that I followed my rules because I usually hold. I want to hold at least to a 1-to-1, and that's not what I did. So I can't say that I followed my rules today, but I think it was a good situational decision that I made to put myself in a good spot uh, at the beginning of the month. So even though I would have been banking over like 2K right now with the funded, if I was still in this, it is what it is. $700 is way better than nothing or a loss. So I'm very grateful for that. But yeah, that's really it. Really just gonna see how this plays out throughout tonight. Gonna just go to sleep, wake up in the morning, see where it's at. If price comes all the way down here, then the probability didn't work out in my favor this time, but then it has a high chance of just probably wicking this, maybe getting that 1 to 2, and then we get some better price action. But as far as tomorrow, let me go back to one screen. So as far as tomorrow, really just continuing that bullish sentiment. I believe that it's I believe that I believe that I have a better mindset, where I'm more focused on solely trading. I had some other things going on the past few weeks where now I'm a lot more just dialed into, okay, what is best for me and what is best for my account. We have this low that was put in. Would like to see this low get swept, or maybe some internal structure form, possibly within this imbalance here tomorrow morning. But really just trying to keep an open mind to see what may happen. Let's look on the higher time frame to see if we can get any idea as to where price may want to go. I mean, we're close to all-time highs. We have this high that was put in here on maybe the 4-hour, 1-hour time frames. So we'll see what happens. We have a lot of this to be filled, actually, so we may get some bearish movement. But if, really depends on a lot of economic news. It really depends on fundamentals to see if we just end up pushing to the upside. So like I said, just trying to keep an open mind. Going to go into tomorrow with a very healthy mindset, as trying to practice good habits and everything like that. And yeah, so if you guys like these videos, again, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have the Discord link in the description. Today was a good day. Let's make tomorrow an even better day. So you guys have a blessed night. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow.